Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how I make my delicious seafood okra soup. Hope you do enjoy this video with me. And if you don't know what okra is, I have a video that I made on how to cut your okra and the healthy benefits of okra. I'm going to drop the link of that video so you can go watch it and see the healthy benefits of okra. Guys, if you've not been eating okra, if you've not been rocking okra, I bet you've been missing out. And they have a lot of different ways you can make your okra. Today I'm going to be showing you my seafood recipe of okra. I have another okra soup, you can as well watch it if you want, but today I'm going to show you how to make that delicious seafood okra soup. So easy, simple and cheap to make. Okay, so guys, let's get into this video and make this delicacy. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red button on the left hand side that says subscribe. It's totally free, you don't have to pay. And when you hit on that red button, you will see a little bell icon. Click on it, that way you never miss any of my uploads. And also don't forget to check out my other videos. I'm going to be dropping list of them on my description box. Thank you very much. Let's get started with this recipe. Thank you guys. Yeah, so guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to be needing to make my delicious seafood okra soup. I'm going to drop all the list of these ingredients on the description box so you can access them easily. Okay, so guys, at this moment I'm just going to add in some boiling water inside my cooking pot. And I'm adding in my 3 scotch bonnet pepper and my onion. I just blend it. I'm adding it to the hot boiling water. So at this time I'm just going to add in my red palm oil also. And I'm adding my grinded crayfish. And I'm adding one of the chicken stock powder. And I'm just going to cover and let boil for 5 minutes. Yeah, so guys, this is it. It's been boiling for some minutes. At this moment I'm just going to add in my smoked mackerel fish. I have the recipe for the smoked mackerel fish. I'm going to drop it on the description box also so you can check it out. And I'm also adding my tilapia fish, and I'm going to leave it to boil for about 5 minutes. So this is it. It's been boiling for about 5 minutes. I'm just adding in my shrimps. So guys, if you don't want your tilapia fish to be broken, if you don't want it to turn into paste, you can take it out at this moment as it's already cooked. But I'm not going to take mine out. I just want it to be like dissolved in the soup, but not all dissolved. I like to have those little particles of it when I'm eating my soup, so I'm not taking it out. And at this moment I'm just going to sprinkle some little all-purpose seasoning and leave it to further cook for a minute or two. So as you can see in here, I have some blended okra. I did blend some parts of my okra to have that sliminess. So I did blend some parts and I chopped some parts into slicing. Yeah, so I'm adding the okra right now and I'm just going to mix them together. The reason I blend some parts of my okra is to make my okra very slimy. I love to have my okra very slimy, so I have to blend some part of it to achieve that sliminess. If you don't want your okra to be slimy, you can just skip the blending part. Okay, so I'm just going to stir it a little and I'm going to leave it to cook for 3 minutes. I'm adding the last chicken stock powder, and I'm going to add more salt. I already added some salt before. So guys, this is my okra. After 3 minutes, I'm just going to add my freshly spinach, and I'm going to leave it to cook more for just a minute or two, as I don't want to kill the nutrients on these delicious healthy vegetables. So I'm not going to let them cook very much. At this moment, my okra soup is nicely cooked, delicious and inviting. So I'm just going to quickly make some delicious pounded yam that I'm going to be using to rock this soup. So guys, there you go. You can see how inviting this delicacy is. I bet you don't want to like miss the taste of seafood okra soup. Guys, if you've been missing out, just try and make some for yourself and your family. I bet you you're going to enjoy it. And you can use this soup to rock any swallow of your choice, like cabbage swallow, eba, pounded yam, oatmeal. Anything can rock with this soup, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Till I see you again, stay blessed and always be happy. Bye.